Hello guys, this is KAREGESA. I need you to give some advice here. I'm sorry for staying silent for a long time, but today I'm giving you this by English language. I know that there are many people's needs to understand some strategies, but I'm not teaching you by English. Okay, today I'm giving you the trick by this language, and I'm sure that someone needs to know how can we make money from this sport bet. Okay, so I have very good trick, I have very good strategy that can help you to win, big, but you need to listen careful. Today we have many games here. We have many games, but I will show you some trick that can help you to make a profit. Tap on football here, okay, and just locate today games 2016 we have here 216. Okay, let me give you some games here and we will see how it's going to happen. I know that it's very hard to predict, but sometimes we must use a strategy, we must use odds to understand the game. Okay, without use mathematics you cannot win this betting, because betting is very hard, but sometimes we know without work hard you cannot win. Okay, for me here I recommend you to find the game which having 2 odds or 3 odds per each side. I'm sure that you understand what I'm talking about. Just look at this. Make sure that all sides have a higher odds like this. You see, higher odds, higher odds, higher odds, higher odds, higher odds, higher odds. Okay, this is for examples. I'll give you some example from Mallorca versus Atletico Madrid. Atletico Madrid have at away, and let me show you this game, how you can predict this game. Okay, both sides have a higher odds, so how should we do here? Here we are going to tap on goals here. After that we find per each overs and unders. Okay, for example here we have this one over 0.5, we have this one over 0.5. make sure that all side over 0.5 have over 0.5. so if you see another side have not over 0.5, don't choose that much, because it's not good. Okay, so whenever you see the game like this, home team overs and unders and away team overs and unders, just choose a lower odds for between in this side. Okay, a lower odds here is this one, not this one. Okay, so here we are going to choose over 0.5 for away team. Okay, I need you to prove that for 3 games, and I'm sure that we are going to win. Okay, we are going to win. Here we have limbs. Okay, let us look. Tap on goals here. Let us look. Okay, over 0.5 over 0.5. so here we are going to choose a lower odds between these two options. Okay, so we are choosing this one, not this one. Is very good, is very powerful, this strategy. So make sure that you follow step by step, and I'm sure that you are going to make a profit, guys. Here you will not look a bigger team or low or not bigger team, but I need you to look at odds and then look at advantage for over 0.5 per each side, then choose lower odds. Okay, here we have Montpellier versus Place. Let us look. For this strategy, you can find, even if the 7 teams, no problem. Here we have this one. Okay, only 3 games and we have 2 odds. So if you combine this game, and I'm sure that you are going to make a profit. So just try it, and I'm sure that you are going to make a profit, guys. About this strategy is very powerful. This strategy is very powerful. Okay, let me give you a booking code. Maybe if you need to try it, just try, and I'm sure that you are going to make a profit. This is the booking code A9336D. Okay, this is the booking code, and I'm sure that you are going to make a profit about this ticket. Okay, always use this strategy if you find 2 odds, even a 5 odds, and I'm sure that you are going to make a profit, guys. Okay, let me give you this. Thank you so much.